Hi everyone, welcome to Sayar Robin's channel. I'm Sayar Robin. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the problem which is from calculus topic, especially for a maximum minimum or stationary point problem, right? Well, this is from the specimen paper 2020 CIE IGCSE, additional mathematics 0606. Okay, let's do it right now. Well, here you go, the problem. The problem is relating to the maximum, minimum, or the stationary point value problem. And then there you will see some scenarios and geometrical figure. The diagram shows a batch. What is batch, right? So I'm going to show you that there are many batch that you might have before in your life, okay? Right, something like this. Okay, there are many types of badges. Okay, there are many interesting shapes. Right. Okay, so these are called badge. Therefore, in this problem, so you see this kind of badge. Okay, the shape is like this. Right, made of thin sheet metal. Okay, consisting of two circular pieces. This is a really important part. Center B and the C. Okay, each of radius x centimeter. So they are attached to each other by a rectangular piece of thin sheet metal. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to shade the rectangular part, right? This is rectangular part. This rectangular part has been attached by two circular shapes. Okay, exactly. So two semicircles are attaching to the rectangular shape, rectangular piece of thin sheet metal. So ABCD such that AB and CD are radii of the semicircle pieces. AD equal to BC equal to Y. Okay, AD equal to BC equal to Y. So given that the area of batch is 20 centimeter, area means the whole part. Okay, if you're going to combine two semicircles, so you get one cycle. Okay, the area of one cycle and the rectangular is going to be 20 centimeters square. Therefore, we can write down the area of one cycle. One cycle means so you have to combine these two parts. Okay, this blue color part, right? This is one semicircle. Another thing is also one semicircle. If you're going to combine these two, so you'll have the one cycle. Therefore, you can find a circle area directly, right? Circle area directly pi r square. Pi r square plus and then area of rectangular. Area of rectangle piece of thin sheet metal is equal to x and y. Okay, length is x and height is y. It's gonna be 20. Okay, radius have to be x. Therefore, we gonna change x into r. Pi x squared plus xy is equal to 20. Okay, why we are doing like this? Because show that the parameter. Now we're gonna find the parameter p of the badge is given by p is equal to 2x. Okay, so that we can get this answer. Okay, the main thing is that now we are finding the parameter, right? So before we find the parameter directly, so we are going to find the y value in terms of x. Okay, that's why we are doing this. So yeah, I got it. Xy is equal to 20 minus pi x squared. If you're gonna find y, so we have to divide 20 over x minus pi x squared over x. It's gonna be pi x. Okay, this is the y value in terms of x. And then if you have the value of y, you can find out the value of parameter. Parameter is equal to parameter p. Okay, if we are going to think about like this. Okay, I'm going to use the green color in this time. Okay, more bigger one. So this one, and this one are forming a one circle. That's why, so we just need to find perimeter of a circle. Then we have to add blue color. Okay, let's say I'm gonna do the more larger size. Okay, this one, and then this one is going to be X, and then how about this one is Y, and then this one also Y. Okay, the answer is gonna be like this. Okay, two green color, two arc will become one circle, one perimeter or the circumference, right? Circumference is 2 pi r, 2 pi r plus, and then blue color, all of the blue color is going to be X, and X is going to be 2X plus Y and Y, 2 Y's here. Okay, vertical segment AD and BC is 2Y, 2Y. So it's going to be the radius or have to be substituted by X, therefore 2 pi X, 2 pi X, and then plus 2X plus 2 times Y is going to be 20 over X minus pi X, right, equal to 2 pi X plus 2X plus, so we have to multiply 20 over X by 2, therefore 40 over X minus, and then 2 pi X. It's gonna be, so you can delete it, okay, positive 2 pi X and negative 2 pi X. Finally, you will have 2X plus 40 over X. 2X plus 40 over X. Okay, this is the expression that you want. Then we're gonna find the value of maximum value of P. Just to find that is the value is a maximum minimum, right? Okay, this is a part A. Now we're going to continue for the part B. Well, here we go. So I'm going to repeat, find the minimum value of B. If you're going to find minimum or maximum to a given function, so what you have to do first is you have to find stationary point, which means first derivative is going to be 0. Okay, after that you have to verify it is maximum or minimum. Okay, so at the time, so you have to do the second derivative. Okay, this is a mind mapping before you do it. Therefore, we already have a plan to approach this problem in proper way. Therefore, number B is gonna be, I'm going to copy the function first. B is equal to 2x plus 40 over x. Okay, first of all, we are gonna do the first derivative. Therefore, it should be dp over dx in this function equal to 2a is going to be 2, and then 40 over x. So see in your eyes as 40x to the power negative 1, right? You have to see like this one into in the form of this one. So that's really easy to differentiate. So take down the power, therefore this is going to be negative 40, and then x to the power decreased by 1 is negative 2, right? Okay, after that, so whether it is maximum or minimum, the first derivative must be 0. Therefore, dp over dx equal to 0 implies 2 minus 40x to the power negative 2 is going to be 0, right? Okay, I'm going to calculate here. 2 is equal to negative 40 will become positive 40 in right hand side, x to the power negative 2, and then so 2 1 times 2 20 times. Okay, let's say 1 is equal to 20 over x to the power negative 2 is positive 2 in denominator, so x squared is going to be x squared times 1 is going to be x squared equal to 20. X must be, and then square root of 20, square root of 20 is equal to, x is equal to 2 root 5. Okay, we don't need to put the negative sign before root 20. So in theory, so you never forget to write the positive or negative, because we are going to find the value of x as length. Okay, in real life situation, length cannot be the negative value, right? Therefore, we don't need to put the negative before square root of 20. Okay, x is equal to now 2 root 5, right? X is equal to 2 root 5. So whether it is maximum value or minimum value, how are you going to decide it? Okay, easy. So you have to do the differentiation again to the first derivative function. was d2p over dx squared. Everybody, you know it. So here with this function, we're going to use this function again. The derivative of 2 constant term is going to be 0. That's why we just need to differentiate the second term. Therefore, take down the power. Negative 40 and negative 2 is going to be 80, positive 80 x to the power negative 3. Okay, decrease by 1 going to be negative 3. So x is equal to 2 root 5, right? Okay, I'm going to divide as the last part. So d2p over dx squared at x is equal to 2 root 5 equal to, so by using calculator, so you have to substitute the value, x value into x, okay, raised to the power negative to whatever power is. So it will give you the positive value, which is multiplied by 80 is also be positive value. That's why we can directly write down greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0, positive value. Okay, second derivative is positive value. We can say that the value must be the minimum, right? Therefore, so x is equal to 2 root 5 gives minimum value, okay, we already verified that this value is a minimum. Therefore, we can write on the value of p. Therefore, p, find the minimum value. The problem is want you to find the minimum value of p, okay, not value of x. Therefore, you should have stopped in this point, okay. That's not good enough to stop x is equal to 2 root 5, so we have to continue to get the value of p. Therefore, the value of p is equal to 2x plus 40 over x. This one, we're going to use this function again. So p is equal to 2 times x is equal to 2 root 5 plus 40 over 2 root 5. Okay, by using calculator or whatever it is, well, the value is going to be 8 root 5, right? 8 root 5, or so you may leave your answer in the 3 significant figures, because you know the problem didn't say you exactly how you have to give your answer. Okay, therefore this is a final answer. Okay, you might change into 3 significant figure 17.9. okay, enjoy it. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.